Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to delete credit card from Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into your Shopify admin. So go to the Shopify website, which is the shopify.com, and log into your admin account using your credentials. Now navigate to the payment settings. So from your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Settings located at the bottom left corner and then select Payment Providers from the drop-down menu. After that, access the payment provider settings. So in the payment provider settings, you will see a list of payment methods and providers that are currently enabled on your Shopify store. Look for the credit card you want to delete and click on it to access its details. Now delete the credit card. So once you are in the details of the credit card, scroll down until you see the Action section. Click on the Delete or Remove button associated with the credit card. You may be prompted to confirm the deletion. Now confirm the deletion. So if prompted, confirm the deletion of the credit card by clicking delete or confirm. Note that deleting a credit card will be permanently remove it from your Shopify store's payment options. Verify the credit card is removed. So after deleting the credit card, go back to the payment provider's settings and confirm that the credit card is no longer listed. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete a credit card from your Shopify store's payment options. So it is important to keep your payment settings up to date and remove any outdated or unwanted payments methods to ensure that accuracy and security of your store's payment process. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.